Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I want to go over something that every aquarist should have in their arsenal, and that's an acclimation box. Now there are many reasons why it's beneficial to use an acclimation box when adding new inhabitants to your tank, and today we're going to go over all of those. Now this one is from Reefing Art, and the reason why I like it is because it's magnetic. Now I don't need to worry about having the right size tank or the right size height when it comes to setting this up properly. Using the magnets, I can put it in the back of my tank and not really worry about any of those little specifics. Now, a few reasons you would want an acclimation box is if you're adding any risky fish into your aquarium. If you already have established tangs or established angelfish and you want to add a new tang or angelfish, it might be smart to use this because you never know how the fish that you're gonna introduce into the tank react to the fish that are already established and vice versa. And when it comes to tangs and angelfish, we all know they're not easy to catch out of the aquarium. It's way easier to have preventative cautions than to be reactionary. Now, one thing I want to make clear is this is not a substitute for a quarantine tank, because any fish that you add in the acclimation box is in the same water column as the aquarium. So if there's some kind of parasite, it can get through and cause problems. Now, another reason you would want to use this is if you have any delicate fish and you can't get them to eat. If you have small gobies that you're going to add in a big tank, using something like this might be smart, where you can monitor the fish and carefully feed them. Now, you also have to be careful with that because this can cause a little bit of stress on fish if they're in a smaller area. So sometimes you have to use your best judgment. So let's open this thing right up and get right to it.